Good morning. I just wanted to quickly share my little Sephora haul, show you guys what I decided to pick up. Hair treatment. I've been really wanting to try this. Apparently it's supposed to be really good for moisturizing your hair and giving your hair a really nice shine. I have used it once so far, so I haven't really formed a complete opinion yet, but let me know if you guys want me to do a full review for this once I've been using it for longer. But it smells amazing, just like the Day styling cream. I love that product. I also picked up two other things from Day, and that includes their monsoon moisture mask. I needed a new hair mask, so I figured I would try this one out. I've heard good things about it, so if you guys have tried it, I would love to know your thoughts on it. And then I also picked up the Day hair oil. This is their prickly pear hair oil. It smells amazing. It's a really light scent. It's not overpowering, but it just has a really nice, pleasant, light, fruity scent. So I really like this so far as the scent, but I need to use it longer as far as performance goes. So I can do a review for this if you guys are interested. I also picked up this gift set from Jizu. I've been really wanting to try this brand. Also, I'm so sorry if I pronounced that wrong, but I've been really wanting to try the lip oil in here. And then this also comes with a hair oil, a hair perfume, and then a hair mask. And I have opened this up already. I've applied the lip oil. The lip oil is nice. I like it on first impressions. The perfume and the hair mask, I will say right off the bat, I'm not a huge fan of how they smell, but obviously as far as like the hair mask goes, I want to see how it makes my hair feel before I fully form an opinion. Let me know if you guys have tried this, what you guys' thoughts are. I'd love to know. And the last things I picked up are some things from Charlotte Tilbury. I've actually never tried these before, so I figured it'd be a good time to try them by picking them up during the sale. It is their blush and their highlighter wands, as well as their contour wand. So super excited to try these out. This set right here comes with a mini size of the blush and the highlighter. I'm really excited to try out this contour stick. I know a lot of people say the packaging isn't the most amazing, but the product itself is awesome. So super excited to try it out. Let me know what you guys picked up during the sale. If you did pick up anything, I would love to know.